Hi, in this video we are going to continue to develop the theme block02. This is a list of suggestions how you should use this video. We were developing header.php and we were halfway through, and now we are into the content development. The notes for this theme development can be found on this web page, which is loaded here. Okay. The code for all the files can be found on this link. It is under chapter 4, block 02. The files are here. Okay. You can actually download all the files and take a look. If you want to know the exact meaning of the code of each function, WordPress function, you have to search the codex.wordpress.org. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is we are going to actually put in some content. Okay. So let's say we add body class for that. So if you look at the body class, function. Sorry, I clicked the wrong button. If you search the body class function, it will explain what it does. Okay, it's a template tag for body tag. Okay, so what it does will help the author to start more effectively. So after you have done this, if you save and try to reload and view source, you can actually look at what happens in the body tag. Okay, if you right click view source, so this is what your code does. Okay, so you add a body class, and this is the explanation. Says that is okay. So this is exactly what it produced. Here. Okay. Alright, we are just going to move on. I'm just going to show you how to look at what is the effect of each function. So the next one you want to do is you go to the site title. Instead of hard coding the template, you actually want the actual you actually want the actual title. Okay, but because when we code, okay, you instead of having the hard coding the site title, you actually want the actual thing here. Okay. All right. So we need to add a couple of things. Here. Here, oops, sorry, here, and here. Okay, so if it's home page or the front page, you should load the site title. Site title will be a link. Replace the original here. And then the site description, also replace it. With the code. Okay. If If it's not site title, we actually do something very similar here. Okay, I'm just going to copy the okay, let me do that again. Okay, if it's not the front page or the home page, you actually will do something slightly different. So let's try that again. Okay, that takes care of the site title. That takes care of the site description. And we are going to do something slightly different for if it's not the front page. Okay, save your work. Control S. Reload. You realize it will load the site title, Panda Tea House, and site description, and you will link back to the original site if you click on it. Okay, so that takes care of that part. And then we have the navigation menu, and obviously you do not want this hard coding, you want something else. So you have to replace this with the PHP tag that actually load the navigation. So let's delete this, load the PHP tag. That actually does the navigation. Let me make this guy slightly bigger, and when you reload, you realize that the page is loaded, and the CSS layout will take care of the navigation. Okay, it's not very nice, but it works. Okay, like go to the blog page and all that. Okay, so that takes care of the navigation. All right, of course, they're not working yet because the part that actually do the loading of the content is not coded yet, which is still the default. Okay, but it's a good place to stop. We finished the header, we have the title, we have the description, and we have the navigation. That's a good place to stop. In the next video, we are going to further divide the page to touch on the content. Okay, thanks for watching.